Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to edit text effects on Photopea. As you can see, these are some of the text effects I edited with the use of Photopea. Without wasting much of our time, let's begin. Okay. Once you have gone to Photopea, you should note that Photopea is a website which provides PSD templates for mockups. It also contains several PSD files such as text effects, PSD file for text effects, PSD files for logo mockup, and also PSD files for flyer design and social media adverts. So once you have clicked on these PSD templates, let's click on PSD templates. Once you have clicked on PSD templates, you will see several PSD files used in graphic design. So you can see you have the PSD file for text effects, you have PSD file for logo mockup, you have PSD file for flyer design, you have PSD file for YouTube thumbnail. So all you need to do is to select the PSD file you would like to use and edit it. So for example, I would like to use this text effect. So I will show you how to edit this text effect and use them on Pixel. So click on this text effect for bold. So let's click on this text effect for bold. So as you can see, this is the name, bold sign. So let's click on bold. So as compared to logo design, text effect doesn't take that long to load. As you can see, located on our screen is the text effect for bold. So in order for you to edit this text effect, you need to select the icon for layer that is located at your left hand side. So at your left hand side, you have several icons. Icon of lay is the third icon. So click on icon of lay. So once you have clicked on the icon lay, you can see that several tools used in the creation of this logo. You can see tools that were used in the creation of this logo. So the next thing you need to do is to double click on this text bold. So let's double click on this text. So as you can see, I have double clicked on this text and I want to edit it. So I will write JC. So click on lay. Then as you can see, I have edited the text, change the bold to JC. So in case you want to use this text effect on Pixel, you have to make the background to be transparent by making these gradients to be invisible. So click on it. So as you can see, the background has been removed, so it has been changed with a transparent background. So if you want to use this on Pixel, you have to click on file, save it, click on export as, then click on PNG. So once you have clicked on PNG, you will see the button for save. Click on save. So once you have clicked on save, they will ask you, do you want to download new project.png? Click on download. So once you have clicked on download, you can now go to your gallery and see the text effect you saved. So this is the first example I will be showing you guys. So let's move to the second example. I will select another text effect and edit it so you can see the procedure used in editing this text effect. Let's go back. Okay, once you have gone back, the next thing you need to do is to select another text effect. So let's go to search and type the word text effect in order to find the text effect we would like to use. So click on text effects, then go to OK. These are the text effects provided by Photopea. So let's select the text effect we would like to use as our second example. Let's move down. Okay, select this text effect for donkey. This text effect that is located below the text effect for text. Okay, select it. As you can see, the name of the text effect is Testo Cartoon 3D by Deslux Tutorial. You can also see the person who designed made the text effect. So click on the text effect. As you can see, it is loading. It doesn't require that much time. Just give it a little time. So as you can see, this is it. So we will click on this icon for lay in order to edit this. Let's click on the icon for lay. So as you can see, the text donkeys is here. So double click on this text. So once you have double click on this text, you can edit it. Let's write pixel up. Okay, pixel up. Okay, then click on the icon of volley. So as you can see, we have edit it. So you can rewrite another text in case you want to use it on pixel art. You can make this to be invisible, the background to be invisible, so the background is now transparent. You save your work, save it, click on export as, then do the same thing you did earlier for the text effect for both. So let's move to templates PSD files for the designs. So let's move behind. Select the mockup you would like to use. Let's select this. So you have the company name board. Click on it and give it some time. So as you can see, this is the mockup. So all you need to do is to go to lay and make this, place your logo here to be invisible. Sorry, make this, place your logo here, double click on it, double click on this, place your logo here. Once you have double click on this, then make this Microsoft logo to be invisible, and also this first text to be invisible. Okay, click on lay, then go to file and click on open and place. Click on documents. The same text effects are used in the previous example that I did for this mockup. So let's select the text effect we saved in the transparent background. So this is it. Click on this JC. So give it time, it is loading. So as you can see, this is it. So you can rotate it or increase or decrease the size. So let's increase the size. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on the icon file, then click on save smart objects. Once you have clicked on save smart object, give it time, it is loading. Just give it a few minutes, it's loading. So once it is done loading, click on the company logo, this first icon. So as you can see, I have successfully represented this text effect on a mockup. So it is used in You can also use it in logo design. So as you can see, this is it here. You can adjust the position. Okay, still the same thing. So this is it for Photopea. So make sure you watch my video to the end. In case you didn't understood what I just said, you can rewatch the video, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.